Hello darlings, my name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am located in Finestrat, a beautiful charming town that is located in the province of Alicante in the Valencian community on the Costa Blanca. Today I'm going to be showing you apartments newly built that is in a beautiful residential construction only 5 minutes away from where we are today on this beautiful beach. These apartments are interesting in the sense that they offer 9 blocks of 9 apartments with great interior and outdoor living spaces. The interiors are approximately 96 square meters. They offer 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, but the actual exterior plots do vary. You have the ground floor apartments that feature their own private garden and the top floor apartments that feature their own solarium. With great specifications, I felt it only silly not to show you, so let's get on with the tour today. Hello. So as you come in through the main entrance towards the front door, you will notice that it's quite a distinctive security door. And it has interesting features, this one, so I will let you in and I will show you what they are. What's interesting about this particular design is that you have a front door that has multifunctional properties, in the sense that as you approach the front door from the exterior, you can enter either using a code, using your photograph, like your face recognition, or even using your fingerprint. On the inside, what's great about it is that you're able to have what's already installed, which is like a video intercom system, so you see who is near your front door. And you also have a second additional locking system should you need it. What's really nice as well is this is a really bright, open and inviting entryway, and you also have a video intercom system on the wall should you need it as well. Coming now from the hall into the main area of the living space, the heart of the home, we are coming into your open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. Altogether, this space offers 35 square meters with a ceiling height of 2.5 meters maintained throughout. This particular model that I'm showing you today is also part of the construction, and all of the actual apartments feature different sized plots, but the actual living space remains the same as 90 square meters. Now, in this particular model in itself, you've got it overlooking lovely additional outdoor spaces, but I'm going to show you what's on the inside first. So here I'm stood overlooking the kitchen, and it's an open kitchen where you have pretty much everything on one side for ease and comfort. What's really nice is that you have your electric appliances for your kitchen already included. In the corner you have the refrigerator and also your freezer. You also have your oven and your microwave, countertop space, as well as cabinetry above and below. There you also have your cooker, electric, as well as the extractor underneath. A little over the way there is the dishwasher and the kitchen sink, along with more cabinetry. Now, in this particular model, you can see they have gone for a darker toned aesthetic, but let's say you wanted to change the tone of your kitchen, they do have other tones that you can choose from. And that's the same with the rest of the home as well. You can still personalize certain aspects of it to your taste. Here I'm overlooking the central focus, which is your dining space, with a table that is set to dine 5. And looking at the table and the chairs, you get a good idea of what type of different models they actually provide, as these apartments do also come furnished. What's also really nice is it takes you to the living area, which is this lovely nook, and it has this spacious sofa sectional. But over the while, what's really nice is you do have very large patio doors that open out and give you full access to your terrace on one side, and as it is on the ground floor, the full access of your exterior gardens as well. Taking you now from the main living area, I'm now going to take you back into the hall, And we are now going to explore the evening side of the home, where you will have the bedrooms and the bathrooms. Taking you into the first bedroom, as you can see, this bedroom is light and bright. It has a lovely aesthetic, very similar to the rest of the home, and offers 10 square meters. On one side you have your fitted wardrobes, and then on the other wall you also have access to your terrace through patio doors. I do like the elemental feel they have gone for with the flooring of all of the paths and terraces and communal areas within this urbanisation. It's a really nice touch. Taking you now from the first bedroom along the hall, and I'm now going to show you the main bathroom. And this bathroom is fully equipped. They've gone for a slightly warmer tone in the bathroom with a tile design. However, again, this is something that you can personalise and choose to your liking. Now taking you back into the hall, we're now going into the primary suite. And as you can see, the primary is also light and bright, letting in lots of natural sunlight. It offers 14 square meters, and you have fitted wardrobes which are on one side, which takes up all of one wall, but then you also have patio doors that lead out onto the terrace. What you also have as well is a doorway that leads to a fully equipped ensuite bathroom, and again they've gone for that warm tone in there. So what's really great about the homes are they come with great specifications. You have LED lighting accents throughout the home, electric shutters, interior blinds. The homes do come fully furnished with all of the basic necessities that you will need, so you don't have to worry about that. And well, you also have double glazed windows and air conditioning. As I come out from the living area, it takes us onto the outdoor living terrace that is fantastic as it overlooks the living and dining and kitchen space. What's lovely about it is they've incorporated this marble flooring all the way through the residential and the communal zones too, which is fantastic. Because we're on the ground floor, this particular model that is for sale has quite an extensive garden and terrace space, as it is also one of the corner plots. And so what it does is it actually features this extensive garden, outdoor living space that the family can really enjoy. What's lovely as well about it is that for minimal maintenance, they've decided to go with an artificial lawn, but you do have an outdoor shower and a 10x5 swimming pool as well to enjoy for those warmer months of the year. This swimming pool will also feature its own inbuilt jacuzzi. But why stop there? Whilst you've got all of this wonderful space for your garden and for outdoor entertaining, there are also some extra hidden additional features that you may want to have that also can come with the home. This is one of them. So let's say you've got lots of sun on your terrace and you're wanting a little bit of shade overlooking your kitchen to have your outdoor dining space right here. By all means, they could fit that for you, and it even comes with additional LED lighting for use in the evenings. But what I really like, as I'm actually like coming through this space, is that you do have this wonderful interconnection with your outdoor spaces and interior spaces. So we're also overlooking the patio doors of the bedrooms, enabling us access onto this same terrace, and it even continues as well down the side of the home, which is really quite nice. Now, what's really interesting as well is they've thought about the residents in all aspects, in the sense that on site you do also have a communal swimming pool for all of the residents to enjoy. You also have on site spa experience. You get a fantastic gymnasium that offer classes. You even get a fantastic recreational children's play area. All of these things will be available for the residents to use all year round. What's also really great is that they've included a parking space for underground for all of the residents as well. Giving you elevator access to the basement, you can access here the parking spaces allocated for this particular block. Each block, which comprises of 9 apartments, has its own underground parking, and this is an indication of what it looks like, all with their own private storage rooms as well, included within the price. What's really nice as well is you do get this open sense of being able to enter actually rather easily, because it gives you a natural entry point, which is a sloping driveway, which is also gated. It also shows you how extensive the parking areas are for all of the residents in the blocks. And then you also have access directly to the communal areas that the urbanisation offers. Just 5 minutes away from where we were, I'm going to show you the nitty-gritty. And right here, where I am located, is like a commercial hub dedicated to all the residents of this particular area. It features a marina centre, which is a very large centre sporting shops and all kinds of other services and facilities, as well as this large supermarket that we're in front of, Carrefour. And so, the property type, or EB, is approximately €350 per year. The community fee is €110 per month, and the refuse is €180 per year. These are fantastic apartments. As you could see, we featured one that was on the ground floor, but they also do offer your first floor apartments and then also your top floor apartment that comes with its own solarium. They're fantastic in the sense that if you're looking for a first or a second home, you can come in without even having to furnish it. And it does come with very high specifications too. So if you like the video and you'd like to know more, then don't forget to check out our information and the description that is attached to this on our website. But also don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Remember, your likes and subscriptions do help boost our content and give you even more powerful, real and useful information if you're thinking of buying here in the sun. Anyway, I'm going to say ciao for now, or in other words, hasta pronto!